Yeah, let's roll on to the update side of our town hall. Yeah. Yeah, so we've done our talk. We're going to give updates on our growth, our community development, some new initiatives, and our ongoing campaigns. Yeah, general sort of agenda. So how are things going? So on Jan 1st, SAF was worth $960. Grew a huge amount between that and February the 23rd, which was our last community meeting. So it grew all the way to $1,400, $1,413. Today, it's worth about $1,350. It's a decrease of about 4% over the last 2 weeks, but we are beating Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped about 5.8%, I think, over that same time frame. So we are beating Bitcoin in that regard. Yeah. So the whole crypto market has depressed a little bit since the beginning of the year. We're holding pretty steady at this point. So I think, okay, it's a shame that we're not continuing to grow, but I think we can be proud that our portfolio is doing fairly well. Updates for our growth in TVL. So our total TVL has sort of continued to grow. So on the 25th of January, it was 8,500. On the 8th of February, it was 11,600. February 22nd, it was 17,000. And today it's over $25,000. So we are seeing about a 50% 2-week growth in TVL, and we've seen that every week for the last, we've seen about a 50% growth in the last every week for the last 6 weeks, basically every 2 weeks over the last 6 weeks. So growing very, very steadily. I think looking to grow another 50% at this point over the next 2 weeks as well. So feeling good. Discord community. So our community side of things isn't going as well. Things have remained static. On the Discord side, the Twitter side, we're really trying to engage a little bit more in the Discord community. We've got more content now, as you can see, right? We're holding talks. We're about to launch our newsletter. We've actually launched it. We've got a link for it now. But yeah, we're still sort of working around the kinks, working to start growing this community again. So I guess if anyone's any ideas, let us know, and we'll try them out. But if not, stay tuned. We're going to keep on pushing these areas. We really do believe that our Discord, our Twitter are really important. Communal growth is very, very important in what we're doing. Yes, senior ambassador roles. We're looking for people interested in being senior ambassadors. High quality ambassadors. We've got a few still in our shortlist, working on getting on board. If you're interested, have a chat to Andrew. Dev role, looking for all-around engineer to join our team. Commitment a little bit more than a senior ambassador, so 15, 20 hours a week. Boji, who's our lead engineer, needs a little bit more help. And compensation is going to be significant governance tokens or equity, basically, in the company. So be part of that team. Development updates. So our new portfolio has been launched. Check it out. That's our sort of beta link. You can have a play around with it. I think it's much, much better than our old portfolio builder. It does so much more. It's just a much, much better portfolio builder at this point. In our old portfolio builder, for example, you weren't able to fix coins. You couldn't make your portfolio 20% Bitcoin. Here you can. You can choose from several different models to model out of. You could even create your own factors out of existing factors. There's a lot of customizability here. I think it's gotten much, much better. Would love to hear everyone's feedback on it. DCA app. So we've launched our DCA app waitlist. We think dollar cost averaging is a great way to invest into Safeforge. Check it out. And if you're interested in growing your crypto wealth slowly, right? So our campaign's buying 1 SAF, but if you're interested in growing your crypto wealth slower, maybe you don't have sort of like the $1,300 necessary to buy SAF at this point. You should sign up for our DCA list, put in $10, $20, $50 a month. I think it's a great way to invest in Safeforge. Great way to grow your wealth. Yeah. As you can see, our portfolio does do better than Bitcoin, and DCAing into Bitcoin would have given you massive returns over the past few years. Newsletters launching soon. Actually, it's launched today. We've got our Substack up. You can sign up for it. We'll probably drop our first newsletter later today. So super exciting. And of course, our SAF rewards program is ongoing. So waitlist for our first 100 SAF. Sign up for that waitlist. governance tokens are coming, our rewards are coming down. They started at $1,500. They're now under 1,200. Soon they're going to be under $1,000 in terms of sort of value. But those are our updates for the month, guys. Any questions?